Really we focused on walking because it was already embedded into the school. The big thing in Shetland at this time of year is the spring clean-up, they've all read up. And for over 20 years the school here has been going out, cleaning the verges, walking the roads. So there was a history of walking, and that's walking with a purpose. And then we moved into walking with reflection, with our RME approaches and using labyrinths, and the fact that it's 125 metres in and out on the labyrinth. So that's quite a lot for a primary one. But really the whole impetus of this whole project started as a legacy from the Commonwealth Games. And part of our celebrations was to involve the whole community in a health walk around the loop, or the circuit around the loch, which is 7k. And we had a great turnout. Walking, anybody can take part. It doesn't matter on your age or even your physical ability. It's not restricted by having fancy clothes or fancy gear. It's totally accessible. So really, it wasn't that hard to get the community involved. And people like to walk and talk, you know, chat, share things. And you can see that when we walk in the school. The children are talking all the time to one another, talking to staff. It's a pleasure.
Well, all outdoor learning has an impact on children. It's proven by research. And the impact is that they are more aware of their environment, they're more physically active, they concentrate better, they're more inclined to be pro-environmental and take care of the environment. Sometimes you're going out longer walks. The loop walk itself can take an hour and a bit, particularly if you're stopping and starting and taking photographs. They definitely are energised by going out, they're enthusiastic, they're engaged when they're out, and we follow up everything in the classroom that we do outside.
And we've been very lucky here in that we've been able to establish these huge interdisciplinary learning projects around the walking, so that they can relate that the time walking is actually being utilised to deliver the experiences and outcomes. And even in the extreme weather, we've been able to walk indoors. And that's where the virtual walking really came into its own. And the website, you know, World Walking, where we could use pedometers, use our maths, calculate out routes, calculate out sums, record our walking, and walk from Scaw at the north of Shetland right to Land's End. And that was a real sort of team effort with the children. It's one of the few activities that you do within a school that you can just do it. And yes, we have this wonderful setting that we can go out and enjoy, but you can do this anywhere, absolutely anywhere. And if we can do it inside here on a dark winter's day with a howling gale and sleet and snow outside, you can do it anywhere in Scotland.